Hi guys, and welcome to my video tutorial on how to use the black Canon Legria HFS200. Okay guys, the camera should come in a carrier case like this. Inside the case you should find your black Canon Legria camera, the charger adapter, the cable and plug to plug in the adapter, and the battery. Okay, so firstly, you're going to need to put the battery into the camera. So grab the battery. On the back of the camera, you'll see inside here, there is a row of connectors. On the battery, there is a slot on the top, just there, that has the connections. So you need to line those together. So if we place the battery like so, and then slide up until you hear a click, your battery is now inserted into the camera. If we pull out the viewfinder, like so, you'll see on the inside of the camera there is a slider. If you push that across, you should see the blue memory card. If there isn't a card in there, it's quite simple. Grab your memory card, push into the slot and press in until it clicks, and then it's in position. And then make sure you push across the slider. Okay guys, so on the top here, just there, you'll see a power button. So press that and you will hear that the lens cap, automatic lens cap, has opened, and also the viewfinder on the side has turned on. At the back of the camera here, on the top, just next to the power button, is our zoom in and zoom out trigger. If we push that all the way to the right, it'll zoom in, and if we push that all the way to the left, it'll zoom out. At the back here, little red button is the record button. We press this button to start recording, and we press this button again to stop recording. On the inside here, there is a toggle button. If you press that, you'll see that the viewfinder changes, and now it's become a player. And when we have recordings, the recordings will come up as thumbnail pictures. You simply press the screen to play. When we finish reviewing our footage, go back to your toggle button, press that again, and then we're back into camera mode. There are a couple of indicators I'd like to show you that come up on the screen. At the top here, that shows us that we're actually at the moment in automatic. If we come round to the side here, just above the strap, there is a little switch. At the moment, it's on a green camera symbol, which means that it's on automatic. That means that it's going to automatically adjust exposure and focus for you. Leave this trigger on that function unless you have a very good reason not to. If you do need to go to manual function, push this trigger away from you, and then you'll see that the box has now changed and we have a function box. If you press that on the screen, it opens up some more options for us, which we can get into on another tutorial. But for now, let's keep it on automatic. So push the trigger back to the green camera. Also, on the screen, on the right here at the top, is the battery life indicator. When the battery is fully charged, all of the green bars will show. When there's only one green bar, I would recommend plugging in the adapter and charging the camera, which I will show you how to do next. Turn off the camera by pressing the power button at the top. You'll know that it's turned off because the lens cap will close. At the back here, near to the battery, is a little cover. If we pull that up, you'll see there is a little socket. If we grab our adapter that came in the case with this cable connector, push that in to that little socket at the back there, and then On the back of the adapter, you'll see there is a connection for the cable to plug it into the wall. So grab our cable with the plug on, push this cable into the socket on the back of the adapter and plug this into a wall and make sure the switch is on. On the back here, just above the power button, there is a little light that'll begin to start flashing red. When that stopped flashing red, your battery is fully charged. Finally, at the front of the camera, to the side, near the strap, you'll see a red socket. This 3.5 input socket is for an external microphone. We will look into that on another tutorial. And at the top here, there is a hatch that we can slide down. This is what's called our hot shoe microphone connection. This we will look at in another tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.